Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to create neon text animation in Canva. So the first step is to create your design. So I'm going to use the logo preset to create my design, and after that you're going to have to go to text, and here if you scroll down you can see different options. So you have neon, you have a lot of options that you can basically use for free. So simply click on any of these, or if you want you can basically click on add a text box, and basically you can be able to use these presets. So you can see you're gonna have to change the color, and then simply go to effects and then simply choose neon like this. And of course you're gonna have to simply change the color of your neon text. Now if you want to animate this, you're gonna have to simply, so I'm gonna delete this one here and I'm gonna use only this. And if you want to change the animation, so if you want to animate this, simply click on animate, and then here as you can see you have different animations. So you have the rise, swipe, writing, you have typewriter, and many more. So you can play around with this if you want. Now as you can see, when you click on one of these, you have here different options. So you have on enter and on exit. So if you want here, you can play around and you can play in this specific animation when the text appears on the screen. And let's say you want to play another one. This is when basically the video ends and you want to basically end the animation. So as you can see, it's gonna appear like this and it's gonna end like this. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.